How to convert Canva website to Squarespace. So all you have to do here is, of course, you have to create a Canva design, and then you have to simply share this, copy the link, and then paste this to your Squarespace. Now I just want to tell you that you can't directly convert a Canva website to Squarespace. However, you can create Canva designs and copy the link and paste or embed the code to your Squarespace. That means you can open your Canva website in one tab, and then you can design your Canva, you can create some Canva images, and then you can copy the embed and then put it into your Squarespace. So it looks like this Canva design is now on your Squarespace because you want to use your Squarespace website instead of your Canva website. You just need or you just want your Canva design and add this to your Squarespace. As you can see, I am now in my Squarespace. First, I want to change the name of my Squarespace here. And then I want to edit all the designs inside Squarespace. I want to add my Canva design or Canva template to my Squarespace. Now let me go to my Canva, and then here I want to create first like a front page or like image background for my Squarespace. Let's just say I am selling shoes. The name of my shop is Urban Steps, and then I can now add some effects right here to my font. Can also change the image if I want to. I can change the font style. I can change the color. So once I am okay with my design here on my Canva, and I want to convert this or I want to add this to my Squarespace, then what I'm going to do here is tap on the share button. Now you have to download this one and then you can import the image here. However, the easiest way to add your Canva design to your Squarespace is to just copy the code. So what I'm going to show you next is I'm going to copy the code in my Canva and then paste the code here. So how are we going to do that? First, you need to add block and then look for code or embed and then copy the code from your Canva. So let me go back to my Canva first and then copy or paste the code inside this one right here. Okay, so tap on share again. Click this three dots here. First, let me public this one. And then let me go to embed or code. Now what you're going to do is you have to copy the code. It's either the first or second, but as much as possible, copy the second. Most of the cases, some errors happen if you click the first code. So you can now stretch this one, adjust the image that you have copied or that you have pasted from your Canva. So this is what it looks like. You can also remove the image from or inside the Squarespace, but for this time I just want to stretch this one. I just want to adjust, and here it is. So it will be at the first page of my Squarespace. If you want to add section, just tap on add section, and this time I just want to add a blank page so that it would be easier for me to embed code from my Canva. So let me add a blank space right here or blank page right here, and then go back to Canva. This time I have created products for our products. I'm showcasing my products here, my shoes products. After that, it's the same thing. What you're going to do is you have to tap on the share button, tap this three dots, copy the code, and then go back to your Squarespace. This time you have to click on add block and then code or embed. And it's the same thing, you just have to paste the link right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see that image that you have created using your Canva. So you just have to wait as it is successfully detected. And it's the same thing, you just have to adjust this one right here. Okay, feel free to stretch this. Now you have the second page of your Squarespace, and all of these pages are from your Canva, or these are all Canva design. Now to add more, you have to simply click add section, and it's the same thing. If you want to create again design in Canva, just go back to Canva, share, and then paste the code right here. So if you think that these pages are unnecessary in Squarespace, you can also delete, you can remove, you can replace these pictures right here. Now this time I have, or I want to create collection. I want to add collection here. And in this page, you will see all my shoes and the collection. And after that, I can add description below. So it's the same thing. You can add effects. You can change everything here. And then once you're done, again, you have to tap on the share button, copy the code, and paste. Now let me tell you that there are a lot of things that you can do here in Canva. Aside from this, you can change the background, you can change the image, you can upload the image, you can also add some elements if you want. So these are all for free, some features are not. So in order for you to unlock the features here, you need to upgrade your Canva. Again, copy and then go back to your Squarespace, add a section here. You can add a blank, or you can also add from any of the section right here, but it's still the same. You can just add blank right here and then tap on add block, go to copy or embed, and then paste again the code that you have copied earlier from Canva. Wait till it detects the Canva, and then you can now stretch the Canva here or adjust the Canva. So you can just have to do it again and again. Okay, and then feel free to change the image if you want, replace this one if you want. Now, the last thing I'm going to add here from my Canva is the FAQs. So, of course, if you have your shop, it's very important to add FAQs for your customer to know some answers if they have their questions about your store. So, I have to go back to Canva again, and then this time I want to create FAQ. But before that, I also want to add the last section or the footer, and then here it is. I'm going to add FAQs, add the FAQs below, change the font style, font size, okay, and then resize this one right here. Share, tap the three dots, copy the code, the second one, go back to your Squarespace, okay, add block, go to embed or code, and then paste the code that we have copied earlier from Canva. Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay, again, you cannot convert Canva website directly, but you can use this method, this pattern, in order for you to use Canva designs and add these designs to your Squarespace. So after that, you can now recheck, review, and then publish this website here on your Squarespace. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.